Parehong excited ang Korean stars na sina Jo Boa at Lee Jae-wook na makatrabaho ang isa't isa. Yan ang say nila nang eksklusibo silang makakwentuhan ng News 5. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan si MJ Marfori.
진짜 목적은 뭐고? 그 실체 뭔지.
Intriga, pag-ibig, at sandamakmak na plot twist with matching pasabog visuals mula sa two heartthrob main leads na sina Oppa Lee Jae-wook at Jo Boa. And yes, nakapanayam ng News 5 ang dalawang bigating bida. At balita namin, may intense at fighty scenes ang dalawa.
What was your first impression of one another, and what was the chemistry instant between the two of you?
When I first met him, I really felt like he's someone I can really trust from the beginning. I felt like I was going to be supported by my partner a lot, and in production as well. I always felt like we had great chemistry because we were able to trust each other in that way.
The feeling is mutual naman para kay Jae-wook. Chika pa niya, isa talaga si Boa sa paboritong katrabaho at leading lady sa K-drama.
For me, honestly, Poa is already so well known in the industry to be someone who always has such a great attitude with everybody. And I almost went into it thinking that I have to really match her energy. I can't lose. I have to have that great attitude as well. And I think that overall, just the experience of working with her.
Nax! Ang pinakabagong historical fantasy na Dear Hong Rang ay isang mahiwagang kwento ng pagkakilanlan, pamilya at pag-ibig sa panahon ng Joseon Dynasty. Mapapanood na yan sa Netflix. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, MJ Marfori, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Nikki de Guzman po. Iba na ang may alam at may pakialam sa panahon ngayon. Para sa tuloy-tuloy na balitaan sa Frontline kahit weekend, mag-follow at mag-subscribe sa social media pages ng News 5.